name is Daniel Dadi and welcome to 3734 Chase Avenue. With 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and over 6,000 square feet, this waterfront mansion is your own little piece of Bali in Miami. So take a tour with me and see what Miami Beach waterfront luxury is all about. Situated minutes away from the Miami Beach Golf Club, the trendy Lincoln Road, and through the Venetian Causeway, it offers an easy drive to Miami. This home also features 71 feet of water frontage, heated pool and spa with outdoor kitchen, making it the ideal home for entertaining. Either if you are a Miami local or you want to move here, this is the right home to enjoy every luxury that this city has to offer. My name is Daniel Dadi and welcome to Miami.